The United States is no longer moving forward on education, it is stepping back. The US Department of Education is set to relocate from its long-standing headquarters in Washington, D.C., marking a significant step in President Donald Trump's broader plan to dismantle the agency. According to officials, the department will move to a smaller office space by August this year. The current headquarters building, which has reportedly been nearly 70% vacant following mass layoffs, will now be handed over to the United States Department of Energy. Education Secretary called the move a milestone, stating that it reflects unprecedented progress in reducing what she described as the federal footprint in education. The administration argues that the relocation will save taxpayers money by cutting down on unused office spaces and avoiding maintenance costs. However, the decision has sparked strong criticism. The American Federation of Government Employees, representing department staff, has condemned the move, warning that it signals deeper cuts to education, threatens the future of public access to quality education. Political opposition is also mounting. Lawmakers have pointed out that only Congress has the authority to formally shut down the department. Yet, over the past year, several key functions, including student loan management and education programs, have already been shifted to other federal agencies. Critics say this is not just an administrative change, but part of a larger effort to reduce the federal government's role in education. As the debate intensifies, the future of the US education system remains uncertain. This is Neeta Samantrai signing off, and you're watching 25, the news that impacts your education and career.